In the last few years, online jobs have become one of the biggest dreams for many young people in Kenya. Everywhere on social media, people talk about making money from home, earning in dollars, and working with international clients while sitting comfortably with a laptop and internet connection. Many videos on YouTube and TikTok show people claiming they make hundreds of thousands of shillings every month from online work. Because of this, thousands of Kenyans have rushed to search for online jobs hoping to escape unemployment, low salaries, and financial pressure. For many people, the idea sounds perfect. Imagine waking up in the morning without boarding crowded madaras, without sitting in traffic for hours, and without answering to a strict boss in a physical office. Imagine working from your house in Kisii, Nairobi, Eldoret, Mombasa, Nakuru, or even a remote village while getting paid by companies from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, or Australia. The internet has made this possible for some people, but the truth is that many beginners fail long before they make their first meaningful income. The problem is not that online jobs are fake. The internet has created real opportunities that did not exist years ago. Today, people earn money through freelance writing, graphic design, virtual assistants, social media management, programming, video editing, and content creation. Some Kenyans are even building successful online businesses and employing others. However, most people who try online jobs never succeed because they enter the online world with the wrong mindset, unrealistic expectations, or without valuable skills. One of the biggest reasons online jobs fail for beginners is because many people expect quick money. Social media has created the impression that making money online is easy. Someone watches a video where a young person claims they earned 100,000 shillings in 1 week from freelancing. Another person posts screenshots of PayPal balances showing thousands of dollars. Many beginners become excited and believe they can also start earning huge amounts immediately. What most people do not see is the hard work behind those success stories. Many successful freelancers spent years learning their skills before making good money. Some of them worked for very low pay at the beginning. Others applied for hundreds of jobs before getting their first client. Many failed repeatedly before becoming successful. Unfortunately, beginners usually want fast results. When they do not earn money within a few weeks, they become frustrated and quit. Another major problem is the lack of valuable digital skills. Many people think online jobs simply mean finding a website that pays money. They search for things like typing jobs, watch videos and earn, or click ads and get paid. In reality, the online world rewards skills and problem solving. Businesses do not pay people simply because they own smartphones or laptops. Companies pay people who can help them grow, save time, or make more money. For example, a business owner may hire a graphic designer to create attractive posters and logos. A YouTuber may hire a video editor to edit videos professionally. A company may hire a virtual assistant to reply to emails and manage schedules. A website owner may hire a content writer to write articles that attract visitors from Google. These are real online jobs because they solve real business problems. Many beginners fail because they refuse to invest time in learning such skills. Instead, they spend most of their time searching for shortcuts. Some jump from one online opportunity to another every week. Today they try forex trading, tomorrow they try crypto, next week they try affiliate marketing, and after that they try surveys. Because they never focus on mastering one skill, they remain beginners for years. Scams have also become a serious problem in Kenya's online job industry. Every day, scammers target desperate job seekers using social media platforms, WhatsApp groups, Telegram channels, and fake websites. They promise easy online work with very high pay. Some claim people can earn 5,000 shillings daily simply by liking videos, typing documents, or sending messages. Others claim they have secret systems that guarantee profits. Most of these scammers ask for registration fees or activation payments through M-Pesa. Some ask for training fees before giving work. Others promise investment opportunities where people deposit money expecting daily profits. Many Kenyans lose money because they are desperate for financial freedom. After sending the money, the scammers disappear or continue demanding more payments. The sad thing is that desperation makes people ignore obvious warning signs. If someone promises huge earnings for very simple work, there is usually a problem. Real online jobs rarely guarantee instant riches. Legitimate employers care more about skills and experience than registration fees. A genuine client pays workers for completed tasks instead of demanding money from them first. Another reason many online workers fail is poor communication skills. The online market is global, meaning Kenyans compete with people from many countries. Clients often choose freelancers based on how professionally they communicate. If someone writes poor proposals full of grammar mistakes, unclear sentences, and copied messages, clients may ignore them. For example, many beginners send proposals like, "Hello sir, give me this job. I can do it. Please hire me." Such applications usually fail because they do not explain value. Successful freelancers learn how to communicate professionally. They explain how they can solve the client's problem. They show confidence, understanding, and professionalism. Confidence matters greatly in online work. Many beginners lack confidence because they compare themselves to experienced freelancers. They believe they are not good enough, so they never even try seriously. Some fear rejection too much. Others apply for only 1 or 2 jobs and stop after getting ignored. The truth is that rejection is normal in freelancing. Even experienced workers lose opportunities sometimes. Consistency is one of the biggest differences between successful online workers and those who fail. Most people quit too early. Someone learns graphic design for 2 weeks and expects clients immediately. Another person creates a YouTube channel and expects monetization within 1 month. When results delay, they become discouraged and give up. Online success usually grows slowly. In the beginning, progress may feel invisible. A freelance writer may spend months earning less than 10,000 shillings monthly before eventually reaching stable income. A content creator may upload videos for 1 year before gaining enough subscribers to monetize. Patience is extremely important. Internet access and equipment also affect success. Although smartphones have improved greatly, many professional online jobs still require laptops or computers. Tasks like programming, video editing, advanced graphic design, and website development are difficult on small phones. Many beginners struggle because they try to build serious online careers using cheap smartphones with limited capabilities. Reliable internet is another challenge. Some online jobs require video meetings, file uploads, and constant communication with clients. Frequent blackouts, unstable networks, and expensive data bundles make work difficult for many people. While these challenges are real, successful freelancers usually find ways to adapt gradually. Some invest in better internet. Others buy affordable second-hand laptops before upgrading later. Another problem is lack of specialization. Many beginners try to do everything at once. One day they are graphic designers, the next day they become writers, and after that they claim to be web developers. Clients prefer specialists because specialists appear more reliable and experienced. Someone who focuses entirely on video editing is more likely to attract editing clients than someone claiming to do 10 unrelated things. The rise of artificial intelligence has also changed online work. Today, many people use tools like ChatGPT to write articles, create ideas, or assist with business tasks. While artificial intelligence has created new opportunities, it has also increased competition. Some beginners think artificial intelligence will make money automatically for them. They believe they only need to copy and paste prompts to become rich. This mindset usually leads to disappointment. Artificial intelligence is a tool, not a magic machine. People who succeed with artificial intelligence usually combine it with real skills. For example, a skilled writer may use artificial intelligence to improve productivity. A marketer may use it for research and content planning. A programmer may use it to solve coding problems faster. The internet still rewards creativity, originality, and human understanding. Many people also fail because they focus too much on motivation instead of discipline. Watching motivational videos feels exciting, but motivation alone cannot build a career. Real success comes from consistent daily effort. Someone who practices writing every day for 1 year will likely improve greatly. Someone who spends the entire year watching motivational videos without action will remain stuck. Discipline means continuing even when results are slow. It means improving skills during difficult periods. It means applying for jobs repeatedly despite rejection. It means creating content even when views are low. The online world rewards people who continue moving while others stop. Fear of starting is another hidden problem. Many people spend months researching online jobs without actually beginning. They keep watching tutorials, reading blogs, and asking questions, but never take action. Perfectionism often delays progress. Someone may believe they need the best laptop, expensive courses, or perfect skills before starting. In reality, most successful people started with limited resources. Some began with borrowed laptops. Others learned free skills from YouTube. Some worked from cyber cafes before affording personal equipment. Progress usually starts with imperfect action rather than perfect preparation. There is also the issue of fake lifestyles online. Social media influencers often show luxury lifestyles connected to online work. They post expensive cars, vacations, and large earnings. While some are genuine, many exaggerate their success to attract followers or sell courses. Beginners compare themselves to these lifestyles and feel like failures too quickly. The truth is that building online income is similar to building any other career. It takes time, learning, and persistence. Most people who appear successful today started from humble beginnings. Some failed many times before succeeding. Despite the challenges, online jobs still offer real hope for many Kenyans. The internet has created opportunities that were impossible years ago. A talented person in a small village can now work with international clients without leaving home. A student can learn valuable skills online for free. A creative person can build an audience through YouTube, TikTok, or blogging. Freelance writing remains one of the most accessible online careers for beginners. Businesses constantly need blog posts, website articles, product descriptions, and marketing content. Good writers who understand search engine optimization can earn stable income over time. However, success requires strong writing skills, researchability, and consistency. Video editing has also become highly valuable because short videos dominate social media platforms. Many content creators need editors to help them create engaging content. Someone who learns editing software well can build a profitable career online. Social media management is another growing opportunity. Many businesses want active online pages but lack time or expertise. People who understand Facebook marketing, TikTok trends, Instagram growth, and audience engagement can offer valuable services. Virtual assistance is becoming popular because many businesses need remote support. Virtual assistants handle tasks such as replying to emails, organizing schedules, managing data, and customer service. Good organization and communication skills are important in this field. Programming remains one of the highest-paying online careers globally. Although learning programming can be difficult, skilled developers are highly demanded. Web development, mobile applications, and software engineering continue creating opportunities worldwide. Content creation is also growing rapidly in Kenya. YouTube channels, podcasts, and TikTok accounts are becoming serious businesses. However, content creation requires patience because growth is usually slow at the beginning. Many successful creators uploaded content consistently for years before earning stable income. Affiliate marketing is another online income method where people earn commissions by promoting products or services. While it can work, beginners often fail because they expect quick profits without building audiences first. Successful affiliate marketers usually have blogs, websites, YouTube channels, or social media pages with trusted followers. Online business opportunities continue increasing as more companies move online. E-commerce, digital marketing, and remote services are expanding every year. However, competition is also increasing, meaning people must continue learning and improving. The future of online work in Kenya will likely continue growing because internet access keeps improving. More companies are accepting remote workers. More young people are learning digital skills. Artificial intelligence and automation are changing industries, creating new opportunities for adaptable workers. Still, online jobs are not shortcuts to wealth. They are real careers requiring effort, patience, and discipline. Many beginners fail because they chase easy money instead of building valuable skills. They focus more on motivation than practice. They expect instant results instead of long-term growth. The people who eventually succeed online usually share certain qualities. They are patient. They are willing to learn continuously. They focus on solving problems instead of chasing shortcuts. They understand that rejection is part of growth. Most importantly, they stay consistent even during difficult periods. The internet has created one of the biggest opportunities of this generation. A determined Kenyan with internet access can learn almost anything online. Skills that once required expensive education can now be learned freely through YouTube, blogs, and online courses. This means success is becoming more accessible to ordinary people. However, access alone is not enough. Success still depends on discipline, persistence, and skill development. The online world rewards people who create value. It rewards people who solve problems. It rewards those who continue improving while others give up. For anyone hoping to succeed online, the best approach is simple. Choose one skill, learn it deeply, practice consistently, build a portfolio, improve communication skills, be patient, avoid scams, focus on long-term growth instead of instant riches. Online jobs can absolutely change lives in Kenya, but only for people willing to treat them seriously. The internet is not an automatic money machine. It is simply a platform full of opportunities for those ready to work, learn, and grow.